Ever sent money to someone and then anxiously waited, wondering, where's my money? Or maybe you're on the receiving end, expecting a payment, and you're constantly refreshing your PayPal account. We've all been there. The question of, how long does it take to receive money on PayPal, is a common one, and the answer, unfortunately, isn't always straightforward. It depends on a bunch of factors, and that's exactly what we're going to break down in this video. PayPal is a global giant when it comes to online payments, used by millions for everything from buying a coffee to running a business. But the speed of transactions can vary, leaving many users confused. We're going to demystify the process and give you a clear understanding of what influences those transaction times. First, let's understand the basics. PayPal transactions aren't instantaneous like handing someone cash. There are processes happening behind the scenes, including verification, security checks, and sometimes even holds on funds. Think of it like a digital version of a bank transfer, though often much faster. One of the biggest factors affecting how long it takes to receive money on PayPal is the sender's account status. If the sender is a new user or has a limited transaction history, PayPal might hold the funds for review. This is a security measure to protect both the sender and the recipient from potential fraud. It's like a waiting period to ensure everything is legitimate. Similarly, the receiver's account status plays a role. If you've just created your PayPal account or haven't verified your information, receiving money might take longer. PayPal needs to confirm your identity and ensure you are who you say you are. This is a crucial step in preventing scams and maintaining the integrity of the platform. So, if you're expecting a payment and your account isn't fully verified, that's the first thing you should check. The type of transaction also matters. Are you receiving a payment for goods and services, or is it a personal payment, like sending money to a friend or family member? Commercial transactions, those related to business activities, might be subject to different processing times and potential holds compared to personal payments. This is because PayPal has specific regulations and procedures in place for business transactions. Another factor to consider is the funding source used by the sender. If they're paying from their PayPal balance, the transfer is usually faster than if they're using a bank account. Bank transfers can take a few business days to clear, even within PayPal. It's the same principle as a regular bank transfer. The money needs to move from one account to another. Credit card payments are often faster than bank transfers, but can also be subject to verification. Geographic location is another piece of the puzzle. While PayPal aims to be global, regulations and banking systems vary from country to country. This can impact the speed of transactions, especially cross-border payments. A payment from someone in the same country might process faster than a payment from someone on the other side of the world. Now, let's talk about those dreaded holds. Sometimes, PayPal might place a temporary hold on funds. This can happen for various reasons, including security concerns, large transaction amounts, or inconsistencies in account information. It's never fun to have your money held, but it's important to understand that these holds are in place to protect everyone involved. PayPal usually provides information about why a hold has been placed and what steps, if any, you need to take. So, how long are we talking about here? In many cases, PayPal transactions are processed almost instantly. If both the sender and receiver have verified accounts and are using a PayPal balance, the money can arrive within minutes. However, as we've discussed, there are many variables. A bank transfer could take a few business days, while a transaction involving a new account or a security hold could take even longer. It's also worth noting that weekends and holidays can affect processing times. Banks and payment processors often operate on business days, so a transaction initiated on a Friday might not be processed until Monday. If you're ever concerned about a specific transaction, the best thing to do is check your PayPal account activity. It provides detailed information about each transaction, including its status and any pending actions. You can also contact PayPal customer support directly if you have any questions or need further assistance. They're usually very helpful and can provide specific information about your transaction. One crucial tip: always double-check the recipient's information before sending money. A simple typo in an email address can lead to significant delays or even send the money to the wrong person. Take your time and verify everything before hitting that send button. Another tip, if you're a business owner using PayPal, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with PayPal's policies regarding holds and transaction times. This will help you manage your cash flow and set expectations with your customers. So, to recap, the time it takes to receive money on PayPal can range from a few minutes to several business days. It depends on the sender and receiver's account status, the type of transaction, the funding source, geographic location, and any potential holds. While instant transfers are often possible, it's essential to be aware of the factors that can influence processing times. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.